Hi there. This video is to show you how to add notes to any of these contacts. So I'm going to open this contact here. When you're adding notes, please don't add them here in under contact, general information, and additional information. If you want notes for everybody to see, don't put them under this notes column here. It's better to put them here on the right hand side next to activity and task. There's notes here, and you can add a new note and say trial test run, for example, and then click on save. So it says this note was made by Kanya Pillay, and this is where all of you guys can see notes easily. This notes here under additional information is more notes that if the client has written some notes under any note section when they're signing up. So this is more for the client, and this notes here is more for the practice or more for the business to make notes on that particular contact. Thank you.